Welcome, viewers, to today's transformative video where we delve into the realm of financial habits that will revolutionize your life in 2024. I am here to guide you through 9 powerful strategies that will pave the way to financial success and freedom. Habit 1: Setting clear financial goals. By defining your objectives with precision, you set yourself on a path towards financial clarity and purpose. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, purchasing a home, or building an emergency fund, having concrete goals will drive your financial decisions. Habit 2: Budgeting like a pro. Understanding where your money goes is fundamental to financial success. By creating a detailed budget, you take control of your finances and allocate resources wisely. Remember, every dollar has a purpose. Habit 3: Practicing mindful spending. Mindfulness isn't just for meditation, it's a powerful tool for managing your finances. By being conscious of your spending choices, you develop a healthy relationship with money and prioritize what truly matters. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4: Investing in your future. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's a key avenue towards building wealth over time. By harnessing the power of compound interest and starting early, you can secure a prosperous future for yourself. Habit 5: Staying financially fit. Just as physical exercise is vital for our health, regular financial checkups are crucial for our wealth. Monitor your progress, adapt to changes, and stay committed to achieving your financial goals. Habit 6: Investing in yourself. Your greatest asset is you. Develop new skills, pursue education, and invest in self-improvement to unlock new opportunities and elevate your earning potential. Habit 7: Cultivating generosity. True wealth is not measured by material possessions alone, but by the impact we make on others. Cultivate a spirit of generosity, whether through charitable giving or acts of kindness, and enrich the lives of those around you. Habit 8: Securing your future. Life is unpredictable, but proper planning can provide peace of mind. Invest in insurance, build an emergency fund, and establish a solid financial foundation to weather life's storms. Habit 9: Celebrating success. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how big or small, and celebrate the progress you've made on your financial journey. Remember, each step forward is a step closer to the life you envision in 2024 and beyond. Thank you for joining me on this empowering quest to revolutionize your financial future. Together, let's make 2024 a year of financial abundance and prosperity. Stay focused, stay determined, and watch as these 9 habits change your life for the better. Here's to a brighter, wealthier future ahead.